Wireless soldering irons offer the freedom to repair, create, and work on electronics without being limited by power cords. With fast heating, portable designs, precise temperature control, and rechargeable performance, they are perfect for professionals, hobbyists, and DIY projects. Here are the 4 best wireless soldering irons to consider in 2026. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 4. JCDL002 Wireless Soldering Iron. Being able to perform quick soldering repairs without carrying a bulky workstation is incredibly convenient, and this compact wireless soldering iron is built to make that possible. Designed for electronics enthusiasts, hobbyists, field technicians, and anyone who values portability, it delivers dependable performance in a lightweight package that is easy to carry wherever repairs are needed. Whether fixing small electronic devices, repairing wires, completing DIY projects, or handling emergency maintenance, it offers an excellent balance of mobility, ease of use, and practical functionality for everyday soldering tasks. One of its strongest advantages is the cordless, rechargeable design that allows users to work freely without being restricted by power cables. A simple press and hold of the power button turns the device on or off, making operation straightforward, even for beginners. The integrated rechargeable lithium battery provides convenient portability, while the available battery capacity options allow users to choose the version that best suits their workload. Charging through the modern USB Type-C interface makes powering the device quick and convenient, using common phone chargers, power banks, laptops, or USB adapters, making it especially useful for repairs away from a traditional workbench. Temperature flexibility is another welcome feature. Instead of being limited to a single operating temperature, the soldering iron offers 5 adjustable heat levels ranging from approximately 260 to 420 degrees Celsius. Lower settings are ideal for delicate electronic components that require careful heat control, while higher temperatures provide sufficient power for thicker wires and larger solder joints. The simple one-button control allows users to switch between temperature levels quickly, making it easy to adapt to different repair situations without interrupting workflow. An additional feature allows convenient switching between Celsius and Fahrenheit temperature displays, adding flexibility for users with different preferences. The integrated heating core and soldering tip contribute to impressive heating efficiency and dependable performance. Fast heat-up reduces waiting time before beginning work, while stable temperature output supports smoother solder flow and stronger electrical connections. The replaceable soldering tip further extends the useful life of the tool, allowing worn tips to be replaced easily instead of replacing the entire unit. This practical design helps reduce maintenance costs while ensuring the soldering iron continues delivering reliable performance over extended use. Pros: cordless design, fast heating, adjustable temperature, USB charging. Cons: limited power, small battery. Number 3. JCD5134 Wireless Soldering Iron. Working on electronics becomes much more convenient when the soldering tool is compact enough to travel anywhere, while still offering the precision needed for reliable repairs. Designed for technicians, hobbyists, students, and DIY enthusiasts, this wireless soldering iron combines portability, accurate temperature control, and cordless freedom into a practical solution for everyday soldering tasks. Whether repairing electronic devices, assembling small circuits, fixing cables, or completing creative projects, it provides dependable performance that makes detailed work easier and more efficient, without requiring a bulky soldering station. One of its most attractive features is the adjustable temperature range, from 180 to 450 degrees Celsius. This flexibility allows users to select the appropriate heat level for different materials and soldering applications. Lower temperatures are well suited for delicate electronic components, where excessive heat could cause damage, while higher settings provide enough thermal power for larger connectors and heavier solder joints. The ability to fine-tune the temperature helps improve solder quality, reduces the risk of overheating, and gives users greater confidence when working on both simple and advanced repair projects. The built-in rechargeable battery adds significant convenience by allowing completely cordless operation. Without the limitations of a fixed power cable, users can move freely around the workspace or perform repairs in locations where electrical outlets are unavailable. This portability makes the soldering iron especially useful for field maintenance, mobile technicians, emergency repairs, and hobbyists who prefer a clutter-free working environment. Charging through the standard 5-volt USB interface also makes power management remarkably simple, allowing the tool to be recharged using power banks, laptop ports, USB wall adapters, and other widely available power sources. Accuracy plays an equally important role in achieving professional quality solder joints, and the impressive temperature stability of approximately plus or minus 1 degree Celsius helps deliver dependable results throughout every session. Consistent heat minimizes fluctuations that can affect solder flow, producing cleaner joints while protecting sensitive components from unnecessary thermal stress. Stable performance is particularly valuable when working on precision electronics, where reliable temperature control directly influences the quality and durability of the finished repair. Pros: cordless design, precise temperature, USB charging, 3 tips. Cons: limited power, battery runtime. Number 2. Alientek TB1 wireless soldering iron. What makes a portable soldering tool truly practical is the ability to perform reliable repairs wherever they are needed, and this cordless soldering iron is designed with that goal in mind. Combining rechargeable convenience with a compact form factor, it offers an efficient solution for electronics enthusiasts, field technicians, students, and DIY users who need dependable soldering performance without carrying a full desktop station. Whether repairing small electronic devices, reconnecting wires, assembling hobby projects, or handling quick maintenance jobs, it delivers the mobility and ease of use that modern repair work demands. Its cordless design immediately improves the overall soldering experience by eliminating restrictive power cables. Instead of searching for a nearby electrical outlet, users can simply charge the built-in battery and begin working almost anywhere. This freedom of movement is particularly useful when performing repairs in tight spaces, outdoor environments, or locations where traditional soldering stations are impractical. The lightweight construction also contributes to greater comfort, allowing users to maintain precise control while reducing fatigue during longer repair sessions. Power is supplied through an integrated 850 mAh rechargeable battery, providing convenient portable operation for a variety of everyday soldering tasks. Recharging is handled through the modern USB Type-C interface, making it easy to restore battery power using common USB chargers, laptops, desktop computers, or portable power banks. This flexible charging method ensures that the soldering iron is always ready for use without requiring specialized charging equipment. The rechargeable design also makes it an environmentally friendly alternative to disposable battery-powered tools while improving long-term usability. Designed with portability in mind, the compact body fits comfortably inside a toolbox, backpack, or electronics repair kit without taking up unnecessary space. Its balanced construction provides a comfortable grip that allows accurate handling during delicate soldering work, such as repairing printed circuit boards, replacing electronic components, or working on small electrical connections. The portable format makes it equally suitable for home workshops, educational environments, and technicians who regularly travel between repair locations. Pros: cordless design, USB charging, lightweight build, portable kit. Cons: small battery. Number 1, and the winner is Fnirsi Hydrogen Sulfide 03 Wireless Soldering Iron. Having a soldering iron that combines portability with dependable performance can make electronics repair far more convenient, especially when working away from a traditional workbench. Designed for technicians, makers, hobbyists, and DIY enthusiasts, this rechargeable wireless soldering iron delivers the flexibility needed for field repairs while maintaining the precision required for delicate electronic work. Whether repairing circuit boards, replacing electronic components, fixing cables, or completing small assembly projects, it provides a balanced combination of mobility, accurate temperature control, and comfortable handling that makes every soldering task more efficient. One of its biggest advantages is the completely wireless design, powered by a rechargeable battery, allowing users to work freely without the restrictions of power cords. This cordless operation is particularly useful for emergency repairs, outdoor maintenance, and situations where access to electrical outlets is limited. Despite its compact size, the soldering iron provides dependable performance that makes it suitable for everyday electronics work. The lightweight construction also contributes to greater comfort, allowing users to perform detailed soldering for extended periods with less hand fatigue and improved control over every movement. Temperature flexibility is another impressive feature. Offering an adjustable operating range from 100 to 450 degrees Celsius, the soldering iron can easily adapt to a wide variety of applications. Lower settings are ideal for sensitive electronic components where careful heat management is essential, while higher temperatures provide sufficient thermal power for larger connectors and stronger solder joints. Accurate heat control helps improve solder flow, minimizes the risk of overheating valuable components, and produces cleaner, more durable electrical connections throughout every project. The bright 0.96-inch IPS HD color display further enhances the user experience by presenting real-time temperature information in a clear and easy-to-read format. Users can monitor operating conditions instantly and make precise adjustments whenever necessary, improving both safety and soldering accuracy. This visual feedback is particularly valuable during intricate repair work, where maintaining the correct temperature is essential for achieving professional quality results without damaging surrounding components. Pros: cordless design, IPS display, adjustable temperature, long battery. Cons: limited power. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.